Hello there, I hope you're doing well. Today's lesson is about possessive adjectives. And before we start, if you're not subscribed, please do it and like the video. Thank you. Let's study these two sentences. Hello, my name is Ramzi. What's your name? Hi, my name is Amjad. Or in the first sentence we have your, and in the second sentence we have my. Your and my are called possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are often used to express ownership or relationship. These adjectives correspond to the pronouns I, you, he, she, etc. For example, I am a teacher. My name is Lucy. He is my friend. His name is Bob. The possessive adjective my corresponds to the subject pronoun I. And in the second sentence, the possessive adjective his corresponds to the subject pronoun he. As we said before, each possessive adjective corresponds to a subject pronoun. I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its. These are singular possessive adjectives and singular subject pronouns. Plural subject pronouns and possessive adjectives. We goes with our, you, your, they, their. Exercise 1. Fill in with the right possessive adjective. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.